Good day, viewers. I welcome you all to ISET Mathematics Clinic this evening. In my last video, I discussed how we can easily calculate the square root of numbers and square of numbers without wasting time. So today, we want to perform another trick on how we can calculate cube of numbers without wasting time, precisely within 30 seconds. But before we do this, what do you understand by cube? Cube of a number simply means the result of multiplying a number 3 times. The result of multiplying a number that is the same number 3 times. For instance, cube of 1 is equal to 1 times 1 times 1. Cube of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, and so on. So before we start this, we need to be familiar with cubes of numbers 1 to 10. So now let's do that. Let's familiarize ourselves with it again. Numbers and their cubes. Numbers and their cubes. So cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 6 is 216. Cube of 7 is 343. Cube of 8 is 512. Cube of 9 is 729. While cube of 10 is 1000. Now, having known this, then we can start the calculation. 12 raised to power of 3. As I said earlier, 12 raised to power of 3 means 12 times 12 times 12. But we don't want to use calculator, we want to use trick. Now let's go. The first step is to write 4 dashes. Then the next step, we are going to find the cube of the first number. Cube of 1 is 1, as we have it here, 1. Then cube of 2 is 8. So we are going to fill the last space with 8. Then the next step now is to multiply these 3 numbers. 1 times 2 times 3. 1 times 2, 2. Then 2 times 3, 6. Let's write the 6 here. With this 6, we are going to fill these 2 other spaces. How do we do it? 6 times 1, that will give us 6. We are writing it here. Then 6 times 2, that will give us 12. But we are not going to write the whole 12. We are writing 2 here. And this one, we are adding it to the next 6 here. And this now becomes 1 plus 6, 7. Then 2, 8. So 12 raised to the power of 3 is 1728. What's an easy method of calculating cubes of numbers? Now let's do the second one. 26 raised to the power of 3. We want to begin with our dashes, 4 dashes. Then first step, 2 raised to the power of 3. That is 8 for the first space. Then the next step is 6 raised to the power of 3. That is 216 for the last space. Then the next step, you want to multiply the 3 numbers here. 2 times 6, 12. 12 times 3, 36. So let's write this 36. With this 36, we are going to fill these 2 other spaces. Now, 36 times 2, that is 72. 72. Then 36 times 6, that is 216. Now, how do we combine this answer? We cannot leave the whole of 216 here. So instead, we are writing just the last digit. So the last digit is 6 here. So let's write 6. Then this 21 here now, we are adding it to this 216. So let's do the addition. 216 plus 21. That is 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Then 2. But we cannot write the whole of this 237. So instead, we are writing the last digit. So we are leaving this 7 here. Then this 23, we are going to add it to 72. So this 23 will no longer be here. We are leaving only the last digits. Now let's do the addition here now. 2 plus 3, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. Again, we are not going to write these two numbers. We are going to leave the last digit and add this 9 to the next number. So now plus 9. So 9 plus 8, that is equal to 17. So the final answer now is 17,576. It is as easy as this. Then the last but not the least. The last but not the least. 128 raised to power of 3. So here we are having 3 digits. What do? We need to lump these two numbers as 1. So now let's start again. We are writing 4 dashes. Then the first step, cube of 12, that's 12 raised to power of 3. We have done that here. 12 raised to power of 3 is 1,728. So we are writing 1728 here. Then the cube of the last digit, 8 raised to power 3. So cube of 8 is 512. So we are using that to fill the last space, don't forget. Then the last step, we are multiplying this number, this, and this. Now let's do that. 12 times 8 times 3. 12 times 8, that is 96. Then 96 times 3. 6 times 3, 18. 8 remainder 1. 9 times 3, 27. 27 plus 1, 28. So 12 times 8 times 3 is equal to 288. So we are writing 288 here. So now this 288 is going to be multiplied by 12 and at the same time by 8. Now let's multiply it by 12 first. 288 times 12. 8 times 2, 16. 6 remainder 1. 8 times 2, 16. Plus 1, 17. 7 remainder 1. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. Then 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 1, 8. 2 times 1, 2. Let's do the addition. 6, 5, 4, then 3. So that is 3,456. So 288 times 12 is 3,456. So we are filling this space with that. Then 288 times 8. 288 times 8. 8 times 8, 64. We are writing 4, we are keeping 6. 8 times 8, 64. 64 plus 6, that is 70. 0 remainder 7. 2 times 8, 16 plus 7, 23. So 288 times 8 is 2,304. So 2,304. Now let's combine the final answer. We are writing only the last digit here, 2. So let's write the 2 here. Then this 51 now will be added to this 2304 plus 51. This becomes 5, 5, 3, 2. So 2355, we are only writing the last digit. Don't forget 5. Then these 235 will be added to this. 5 plus 6, 1. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. Then 3. We are writing only the last digit. Don't forget 1. Then 3, 6, 9 will be added to this. 3, 6, 9. 8 plus 9, 17. 7 remainder 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 7 plus 3, 0 remainder 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Now, since there is no other number here now, we are writing the whole of this number. 2097. So therefore, 128 raised to power 3 is equal to 2,097,152. So it is as easy as this. Thank you very much for your time and your attention. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Facebook page. Don't forget to watch, comment, and share. Thank you.